Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim Headphones and I'm going to show you how to fix this Bluetooth pairing issues. At first you need to try pairing your headphones to a different device. Like, not kind of device, just a different phone, different laptop, different device. You need to check if your phone fails or your headphones fail. If your headphones fail, we need to fix on our headphones. However, if you are able to connect them to any other device, your phone is at fault and you need to fix your phone. So let's focus on our headphones. If you can't connect to any device, you need to at first make sure that you are not in the MP3 mode. MP3 mode is of course a mode where you listen to music, but which is downloaded and loaded into your headphones directly on the drive. If you are in the MP3 mode, or if you don't know, you need to, when your headphones are turned on, click this button 3 times, triple click, till you hear Bluetooth. Then enter the pairing mode and check if it works. If it doesn't want to work still, try charging your headphones up to 100%. Then check if it works. And again, if it doesn't work, you need to perform a factory reset. How to perform a factory reset? You need to hold this volume plus and multifunctional buttons right here for at least 5 seconds. These 2 buttons, volume plus and power, till you see that your LED light is going crazy. And that should actually fix their issue. Bye!